How to bulk import myCRED user points from CSV template. Hi, WordPress users, welcome back to our myCRED video tutorials. Do you want to import myCRED users point balance from CSV template? Here is how you can do that. Step 1. Go to WordPress admin area and click on the Tools menu. Here you will find myCRED balance import option. Click Run Importer option below. This tool allows you to import balances based on a CSV file. You can select to change a user's balance to the value in the file, or add the point values to their existing balance. Step 2. Now open your Microsoft Excel in your computer. Fill 4 variable name in the A1, B1, C1 and D1 respectively for template column heading. Now, paste dollar identification in the A1 column heading, paste dollar amount in the B1 column heading, paste dollar point underscore type in the C1 column, paste dollar log underscore entry in the D1 column. Most important is that, in dollar identification column as required field, you can paste either a user's ID, email address, username or slug, identifying the user we want to change a balance for. Second required field is dollar amount. Here you must put any number of point amount you want to either replace the balance with or added or deducted from the balance. Third required field is dollar point underscore type. You can find your point type option in the myCRED settings. Fourth column is dollar log underscore entry is the optional field. This column is created for optional log entry to add with the adjustment. Now click Save as CSV file. Go to WordPress site and select your saved template to upload CSV file. Now click Import button. That's it, you can see user data is updated successfully. So, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you the next one. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more update on WordPress plugin tutorials and technical videos. Take care.